Welcome back to day 3 of Tech Tips for National Tire Safety Week. As drivers, we play a critical role in maintaining the safety of our tires. To help keep you safe on the road, Tech has created this easy checklist of tire maintenance practices. First, check your car's tire tread. A quick and easy way to do this is the penny test. Turn the penny upside down and place it in one of the grooves of the tire. If the face of the penny is visible, your tread depth is less than 2/30 seconds, which means it's time to replace your tires. Second, check tire pressure at least once a month. If your car has a tire pressure monitoring system, or TPMS, it can be tempting to leave this step out. But cars with a TPMS can still be underinflated by as much as 50%. To find out the manufacturer's recommended tire pressure, look on the door jamb of the driver's side door and you'll see a placard with these specific tire pressures. Third, be sure to perform a weekly tire inspection for signs of damage such as exposed steel belts, sidewall gashes, or signs of uneven wear. Finally, we recommend rotating your tires with every oil change. This will really maximize the miles you get from the tires while making the drive more comfortable. As the global tire and wheel authority, Tech can say with confidence you will get the most out of your tires and be safe in the process with these 4 simple steps. See you soon!